Hello viewers, welcome to the video tutorial on how to change your linked email and mobile number. So let's begin. Changing your contact details is easy. First, visit star.samco.in and log in with your back office login credentials. Click on the name available on the top right and go to Account Setting tab. Now, click on Modify Now button. Here you will find the list of the details which can be modified. But for any type of account modification, you require your Aadhaar to be linked with your mobile number. Now select email and mobile modification. Enter your existing registered mobile number and new number which you want to register with us. Once you completely fill these details, click on Submit. To authenticate your new mobile number, an OTP will be sent. Enter the OTP and click on Verify. Your request will be processed within 72 hours. Similarly, for changing your email address, select Email and Mobile Modification option from the below list and follow the same steps again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.